Hey guys! Why am I awkward? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Danielle, and in today's video, I need to organize my home. So I moved in almost a month ago. No, exactly a month ago. Awesome, okay. Wow, time flies. Anywho, and I haven't really like taken the time to organize what I unpacked. I mean, I've unpacked everything, but I had people help me unpack, and I was like really quick to unpack, so I haven't exactly organized things. So on the agenda is the kitchen, because things are kind of like in different cabinets, and I'm finding myself like pacing back and forth in my own kitchen. And now that I'm kind of used to how I'm using it, like it's time to kind of maybe reorganize it. And then my closet. So I've always been like super meticulous about how my closet is like put together and organized, and it is not that way right now. So I need to do that, and that's what today's video is. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing. Okay, so like here is this bad boy, which is like the one that needs organized the most. Over here is like another little like pantry cabinet too, so I need to organize in here. Boop, boop. This one is not really that bad, so maybe like a little bit of reorganizing of my little jars that I have held on to, but honestly works pretty good. This one needs just a little touch of reorganization because I feel like it doesn't really like flow super well. This one's where all my dishes are, but it's working out just fine, not an issue. Here's where my coffee mugs and stuff are, so not a big deal either. I'd like to reorganize my drawers because they've kind of just turned into like junk drawers. Not even really like utilizing this cabinet. This one, yeah, as you can see, she doesn't really open. This one maybe, you know, give some love to that back area. That's a little weird. Let's see. Maybe a touch here. It's not that bad. This one's fine. Under my sinks are fine. Just maybe a little bit of love here. Oh, could you? I mean, I just have a lot of space in this kitchen. And just slight reorganization. So that's where we're at. And then if we go into the bedroom, how do you like my slippers? Here is my closet. And I mean, it's like fine, it's functional, but it doesn't really flow like I'm used to. So first, starting in here, we're just not judging this, okay? I don't care. I want to move my jackets into my other closet. I want to reorganize it, like dresses, jumpers, some color coding, because that's what I need in my life. So that's my thought here. And honestly, like, this is trash. What is this even doing here? So it's gotta go. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna turn on a podcast. I've been listening to Crime Junkie a lot. They really get me, but it also freaks me out since I live alone. So anywho, I can only listen in daytime. I feel so much better now that it's organized. I try to like space everything apart and then like I ran out of room, so it's a little messy over there. But it looks very nice over here. Anywho, turn off the light and shut the door. So what I will say is I also use this time to like declutter a little bit because I'm just being honest with myself. I'm not wearing these clothes, so why am I holding on to them? This pile right here is going to go in my other closet in the other room, and then these are like workout shirts, so they have no business being hung up. They should be in the drawer with all my workout clothes. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, and I'll take you with me. You okay? You look really angry. Okay, bye. To move on to the kitchen, which I'm really excited about.
Aren't as outraged by the idea of Alice having sex anymore. The women's lib movement have matured.
Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder
charger. Super excited. Did some more decluttering. This is my recycle corner. Works really well for me. And that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and want to see super future videos. Follow me on social media. The links are down below. I have a podcast that is also linked down below. I have a vlog channel that is linked down below. And here's your weekly reminder to take a deep breath. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.